Alright, hi everybody. So I'm gonna show you how to make a pour over. So what I have here is 24 grams of coffee. So you can see I'm using this little scale and just a 12-ounce cup. Just get the beans straight into there. So now I'm gonna put it in this grinding machine. So just take the top off, put them right in there. And on this side, on the right side, you're gonna see this little switch, so I'm just gonna so that's gonna be really loud. So while this is happening, I'm gonna go over and get this half full of hot water from the air pop machine. So I've already done that just for the video, but that's what you would usually do, is go get some hot water into this. If you hear that sound, so that's done. So turn that off. And this bottom part is gonna come out. That's where you're gonna get your beans from. All right, you have your grounds in here. So go ahead and pour those in the top of this machine. All right. Try and pour it kind of evenly so that it's flat. All right, and then what you're gonna do is zero your scale. So just hit this, or zero the scale that's on this machine. So hit the little on-off tare button. So when I start pouring this water, I'm also gonna want to start the timer that's on the scale. And so I'm gonna wanna pour 48 grams of coffee, and then we're gonna wait and see what the timer says. So ready? So the timer is going. Pour 45 grams of coffee, or sorry, 48 grams of water. And I'm gonna wait for the timer to get to 45 seconds. Once it reaches 45 seconds, I'm gonna be able to pour the rest of my coffee, or water. All right, so it's at 45 seconds, so now I'm gonna pour the rest in a slow circular motion. Just like this. You can see I'm not pouring fast at all. I'm making sure to get all of the beans, and you're gonna see bubbles up in your filter. And that's exactly what you want. You want some bubbles. It's gonna look almost like foam. And obviously don't let it overflow, but you can see it's coming really fast now. Your goal is to have, at the end, about 360 grams of water, and the pour over should be done, should be just really slowly dripping at about 2.5 and 3.5 minutes between that time. And I'm poured some more water just to get me up to 360. I'm at 300 right now. All right, just a little bit more. All right, that's about 365, so that's a little high. You're gonna wanna be right around 360 grams. And now my job here is pretty much done. I wanna just wait for this to finish. So when it finishes, it's gonna be a really slow drip drop. And between 2.5 and 3.5 minutes is what you're shooting for. And you can see it's finishing right now. It's right around 2.5 minutes, so we're looking good. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off this bottom part. Pour it in the cup. Obviously, you're gonna have a sleeve on here. And that is ready to serve. Delicious cup of pour over.